Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of making a stormtrooper helmet. In the first video, I showed you the 3D printing process, and then I showed you how to sand it and then filler prime it. In this video, I will be finishing up the helmet just by painting it and just some other minor details. The first thing we're going to do is paint the entire helmet with this white gloss paint. Just regular white gloss spray paint. I got it at Lowe's for like $8. But we're going to do about 3 layers. After that 3 layers of paint, it is looking actually really good. I don't see like any 3D print lines anywhere. Alright, so now I kind of did this off camera, but I had to 3D print these pieces. These go like on the sides. This is like the chin. And then these are like the little pieces that go right here. All I have to do now is paint them. A good thing about this helmet is the colors are actually pretty basic. For example, white is obviously the helmet and the 2 side pieces. Black is just generic black spray paint. The chin piece, the 2 nozzles, I believe it's going to also right here. And then primer, you can use any kind of dark gray spray paint. I do not have dark gray spray paint, so I'm just going to use primer. Primer, it will go right here, and then right here, and then it'll also go in between here. So right here is black, and then gray, black, gray, black, gray. And then at the end we have clear gloss, because even though this is white gloss spray paint, these aren't gloss paints. So at the end, I'm just going to clear coat it with this gloss clear spray paint. And then the last color that I do not have right now is like a generic blue. And that goes in these lines, I believe. Now that we have the add-on pieces painted, I added some tape to the side pieces because the little rectangles right here are going to be dark gray. And then the little nozzles on the top are going to be dark gray as well. The add-on pieces are officially done. If you're wondering why this is a different color, the primer was like wrinkling, so I found this like really dark blue color to spray on here, and now it's better. You probably remember when I said I'd be finishing up this helmet in the video. No, there will be a part 3. Part 3 will for sure be the last part. We will be painting the little lines with these paint brushes, and then we'll be adding the visor and then adding some padding on the inside. It'll for sure be the last part, I swear. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about 3D printing or about the Stormtrooper helmet, just let me know down in the comments. Part 3 shall be out in a week or 2, so subscribe to my channel. Don't go anywhere. Just stay on my channel for a week or 2. Just wait. Don't leave.